Hello, welcome to this video. So here we are going to learn multiplication rule of probability with the help of an example. So let's get started. Example, when doing a blood testing for a viral infection, the procedure can be made more efficient and less expensive by combining partial sample of different blood specimens. If samples from 5 people are combined and the mixture test negative, we know that all 5 individual samples are negative. Find the probability, so here is the question, find the probability of positive result for 5 samples combined into one mixture, assuming that the probability of an individual blood sample testing positive for virus is 0.03. Give your answer as a decimal rounded to 4 places. So here what we know is probability that the test will come. You can see here probability that an individual blood sample tests positive. Okay, probability that the test comes positive is equal to 0.03. Okay, probability that an individual blood sample tests positive for the virus is 0.03. So meaning of that is probability that they will test negative, probability that they will test negative is 1 minus 0.03, which is 0.97. So here we want to find the probability of a positive result for 5 samples combined. So we are looking for probability of positive result when 5 samples are combined. But what we know is if we do the mixture test and if it is negative, then we know that all 5 are negative. So first we are going to find the probability that all 5 will be negative. Now, probability that first is negative, second one is negative, third is negative, fourth is negative, and the fifth one is negative. Okay, all 5 of them. Because we are talking about all 5, we have to find the probability of positive result for 5 samples. So first we want to find the negative result for all 5. So that will be, because we are talking about the negative for first, negative for second, negative for third, and so on. So it will be the product of all 5, which can be written as times probability the second one is negative, times probability that the third one is negative, probability that the fourth one is negative, and probability that the fifth one is negative. And the probability of negative result is 0.97. And we are multiplying that for 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which can be written as 0.97 raised to 5. So that is the probability that all 5 of them will be negative. So probability that all of them will be positive will be probability of positive result that will be equal to 1 minus the probability of negative, which is 0.97 raised to 5. So this is what we need to simplify or type in our calculator. So if we do 1 minus 0.97 raised to 5, the result will be 0.1413. 0.1413. That is the probability that all 5 of them, or you can say the probability that individual blood sample testing positive for the virus was given 0.3. So for negative, we got 0.97. And when we perform this, the result that we get here is the probability of positive result for 5 samples combined into one mixture. So that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful.